can't stay now, I'm just waiting now. My hands they glow so impatient. Many things I'd like to do now. For the first rays of the morning, dozy dreams peaceful and sleep to me just doesn't come. When she wakes, I try to tell her everything I have to say. And the night so dark inside me make me finally understand. With the love that she has given, she can light the sky forever.